Y'all seen this M5 before. It was just wrapped blue, and he decided to go crazy with it. You know, I'm not a foreign car guy, man, so this would terrify me because, you know, of all the parts and stuff like that. But he did an amazing job, yo. What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and today we are not gonna be in the shop. We're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna go to my homie's house to check out his M5. It's kind of crazy that like what he's doing. The car's been on the channel before a long time ago, so maybe I'll throw in a clip of the car. It was originally like wrapped a blue color, like a BMW blue color, and he has since decided to paint it. And he painted it based off my advice, man. And that's kind of incredible. I literally talk to him like every day, you know what I'm saying, telling him what he needs to do next and how to get it done. And he's obviously, you know, doing his own research and stuff too. But we're about to go over there and check out the progress because I think he's over there really killing it. And I want to show y'all what he's done. Part because I'm an advocate for doing things yourself, you know what I'm saying? Everybody knows the whole spiel about the shops and all that kind of stuff, so we ain't got to go over that. But, you know, also, you know, how you're treated. Nobody treats your stuff like, you know what I'm saying, nobody's going to treat your stuff as if, you know, you would treat it. You feel me? So anyways, I'm a big proponent of the do-it-yourself stuff, man. Whether it's perfect or not, I mean, you could take pride in knowing that you did it, and your skills will get better as time goes on, you know what I'm saying? So, I hate when people try to take advantage of others and stuff like that. So, you know, that's why, like I said, I'm a big proponent of do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? There's two things that, you know, I'm not afraid to try, you know what I'm saying? And, you know what I mean? Like, I'm always down to learn, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm not a professional at anything. I just not afraid to try it, and I'm not afraid to learn how to do it and how to do it right, you know what I mean? So anyways, we're going to go over there and see what he got cooking up over there. He's almost to the final stages of actually painting the car. He's already done all the body work, taken all the panels off of the car, sanded them down, did all the paint and sprayed everywhere he needs to spray underneath the car. Just kind of like at the same level the Impala's at. You know what I mean? So we're going to go over there and check it out and, you know, let me know what y'all think. All right, y'all. So like I said, y'all seen this M5 before. It was just wrapped blue, and he decided to go crazy with it. You know, I'm not a foreign car guy, man, so this would terrify me because, you know, of all the parts and stuff like that. But he did an amazing job, yo. Like, this thing looked like it came from the factory. Covered up all the tags, got all down up in there, all down in there. If you can see the color, it's like a purple pearl. This dude went straight from not doing this at all to expert level paint job, because pro paint jobs they're not easy, you know what I'm saying? Candy's not easy, but he's doing a really good job, man. Sanded it down, super smooth. I came through and, you know, helped him out with some spots that might potentially need some touching up, you know what I'm saying? Just filling it with my hand or whatnot. But other than that, bro, like, this is crazy. Left the space in the bumper so the paint lays down in there. Yeah, like I said, y'all seen this before. Man, my brother did a real good job. Like, even paint shops would miss all of this up under here. Like, you know what I mean? And he's doing this by himself. First time. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I talk to him like every day, trying to give him what I know, you know what I'm saying, or what I've learned so far, you know what I mean? And he run it with it, because, man, you know what I mean? Super slick. My brother got it over here.
Let's do it.
Got the bumpers and whatnot. Like, so you said you were trying to get these more slick, right? Yeah. These bumpers?
Yeah, I'm gonna get those. I'm gonna hit them with 406.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say, did you?
That bumper is pretty new, so it's kind of, well, it's been hard.
Oh yeah, cause homie messed it up, huh?
Yeah. But it's good. I'm about to do the side skirts tomorrow. It's real nice. I use the foam tape up there to make sure that it's good.
My guy's masking job is incredible. I'm gonna have him come help me with mine, cause mine definitely don't look like this. But yeah, he got the gems, everything, doors, behind the doors, everything. The whole door, if you can see, got all of that up under there. You know what I mean? But yeah, bro, your masking skills are incredible, bro.
Yeah, bro.
You got the foam tape where it need to be. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is looking real nasty.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see. It's hard to tell. It's like a purple pearl. You can see. It look real good, man. Like, he's doing a really good job. Real solid job. Had to fix a couple areas up there. But yeah, bro. Hey, man. You're doing a good job on this, my brother. I must say. I didn't even see the trunk. Is the trunk open?
I know it.
Oh, yeah, mine does that too. Not that fast, but.
I gotta adjust it, but.
My guy got the trunk. Everything like, you know, how I did my trunk. Dang, bro, this is crazy. Oh, yeah, I did the same thing. Yeah, you good.
Yeah.
You straight. Got all back up in here, man. Wow, bro. Yeah, you see how I was saying, like, the paint right here? Like, it gets in the cracks.
Right.
So that's why you want, like, you know, the foam tape or whatever.
Hit the foam tape right there.
Yeah, what I would probably do is I'll probably hit that off with some 320, like wet sand. Yeah, and then foam tape or whatever.
We have one more week of 70.
Yeah, I know. This is clutch, bro. You and I both. We both gotta get busy. I mean, you almost there though, bro. But yeah, anyways, like I was saying, man, like I don't want to hold y'all up too long, man, but he did his thing on this car, bro. Like, this is first time spraying the car. First time ever spraying the car. And
Getting advice from my bro.
and all he, you know what I'm saying, like I said, all he did, do the same thing I did, you know what I'm saying, watch YouTube and call me, and you know what I'm saying, like, I haven't even been over here to, like, even, you know, bless the car or anything or help him out or nothing like that. He's just been grinding, called me like, yo, bro, all right, I got it. You know what I'm saying? So, like, you know, I say all that to say, like, it don't matter, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? There shouldn't be no excuse, man. Like I said earlier, I denounced the shop thing, bro. You know, shops do the same exact thing and charge you 10 grand to paint the whip. No. Like, you can do it yourself, easy. I mean, if you got some determination and you willing to take your time, I mean, you're gonna mess up. It's a part of the game. Like, everybody mess up. But that's how you learn. But anyways, man, shit clean, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Congratulations.
Hell yeah.
Man. All right, grind schoolers, that's gonna conclude this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was something different. It wasn't one of my cars, but I thought that would be kind of special to show y'all because the homie literally took my advice and got to it. You know what I'm saying? Literally. Like I said, obviously he did his own research on YouTube and stuff like that, but he dove right in, kind of like how I dove right in and just sprayed his car up. You know what I'm saying? The color's pretty crazy, man. It's like a pearl white with a purple pearl in it. It's pretty nice. And like I said, man, taking apart them foreign cars is something different. It's a whole different level because when you take apart a foreign car, you got to worry about so many things and how intricate they put them cars together, man. It's just, you know what I mean? And if you break anything on that car, you're not going to find, you know what I'm saying, parts for that car in the junkyard like you would on, you know what I'm saying, the Impala. You might find a Caprice, or, you know what I'm saying, you might find, you know, a Elko or a Malibu or any G-body that you can figure out parts to match or something like that. You know what I mean? So you're not going to find an M5 in the junkyard. So if you break something, I mean, you're going to be spending a lot of money to replace it just because it's a BMW. So kudos to him, man. He's really attacking it. I can't wait to see the finished product. And I'll show you guys the finished product too if y'all interested in seeing it. let me know in the comment section if y'all are interested in seeing the final product once he's done, because I do plan to go back over there and obviously check it out. But like I said, man, I'm not a professional. I just ain't afraid to try, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not afraid to learn, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, it's pretty cool because, like, you know, we've literally been on the phone in phone conversations for, you know what I'm saying, the last, I don't know, maybe like month. I don't know how long he's been, you know what I'm saying, doing it or whatever. But he asks me questions. I tell him what to do. He go capitalize, and it looks great. Literally, I went to the car, and I was only able to fill a couple spots that, you know what I'm saying, he could get a little bit better. One was very, 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 very small. Like, I couldn't really, you know, tell what was going on, but there was something going on around there. So, you know what I'm saying, you got to fix that area, and there's another area. And that's pretty much it, man. He ready to spray, and how he got everything laid down like y'all saw in the video. You know what I'm saying? Like, painters don't even do that. Some painters, you know what I'm saying, don't even mask up like the engine bay, you know what I'm saying? They just spray all over everything, you know what I'm saying? But he masked everything up, took things apart. So, like, if you literally look in the engine bay, you can't tell the difference from what that car used to look like. You know what I'm saying? The color that it used to look like. He took all the doors off, every single one of them, and there's 4 of them. It's crazy. Like, I wasn't going through all that work with the Impala, but he took 4 doors off. You know what I'm saying? Took the trunk off, took the hood off, you know what I'm saying? Took the side skirts off. Everything underneath is painted, you know what I'm saying? Like, the color of the car that he's painted. Changing the whole entire thing. Even the rods on the trunk, you guys saw, you know what I'm saying, all the way up under there. Solid, man, solid. So, I don't know, I don't think I showed y'all the pillars on the trunk. Maybe I did, I don't know. But anyways, man, like I said, he did his thing. So he definitely put in work, and you know what I'm saying, I urge you guys to do the same thing. Maybe y'all's cars don't need to be painted, and that's cool, whatever. But at the end of the day, just anything on your car, man, because these shops, they're no-go, man. I keep seeing YouTube video after YouTube video after YouTube video of people getting screwed, and it's just like crazy. Like, dang, man. Like, we still messing with shops in 2022. Like, obviously, physical capabilities, you know what I'm saying, facilities, all that stuff matters, so don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying? And some people got that bag to where they could just throw it in the shop and it's all good. But, you know what I'm saying, for the majority of us, man, just trying to ride and just trying to roll in something clean, like, you know, and don't want to get screwed over, don't want to pay the bread to get screwed over, and then you got to go pay for it again. Like, nah, you know what I'm saying? Like, we got to do better, man. So anyways, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. Go ahead and let me know if y'all want to see the final product of that M5, because it's definitely a special car. And yeah, without further ado, always remember, work hard so you can live free.